So good morning, children. We are going to take up the left over exercise of decimal, that is exercise 6. We left it because it had the measurements unit and the rupees unit, which we had not covered till the decimal chapter. So that's why we have taken it after the measurement chapter, and it is nothing, it is only the converting of the smaller unit into the bigger unit by using the decimal. So I've taken up one example for each category, but yes, as we did earlier, these are just the examples for your explanation. The PDF will have different question, and that I want you to do it yourself, because I don't want that you simply copy the solutions. Okay, because the parents, they say they are simply copying it and they are not understanding anything. So I want that first you should understand what the video is about and how we are solving it. Okay, and then you should solve the PDF in your maths fair notebook. So let's start. The first question is change into rupees 44 paisa, and the rule, you know, smaller to bigger we are going to divide. Okay, so now paisa is given, so write down 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon rupees. Okay, सो आपने फ्रैक्शन कर लिया, कन्वर्ट कर लिया है फ्रैक्शन को डेसिमल में, डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में, एंड होल नंबर्स को फ्रैक्शन में, डेसिमल में. सो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. नाउ 44 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, यहाँ पे हम अपॉन वाला करेंगे. सो व्हेन यू कन्वर्टेड यू गेट रुपीज 0.44. Now you know how do we get it 0.44. 1 0 goes for 4, 1 0 goes for this 4, and then comes the decimal, because अब आपका एग्जाम हो चुका है. So I'm not going to take it in detail. Now this one, so you know this is rupees and this is paisa. We are going to convert this. So 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees, and 72 when divided by 100 gives you rupees 0.72. Got it? So now this is rupees and this is already rupees. When we add them, rupees 22 plus 0.72 rupees, we get our what is the final answer now? Rupees 22.72. Got it? Let's see another example. Change into meters, and we are given centimeters. Smaller to bigger divide. Relationship of meter and centimeter is 100. So जब हम centimeter से start करें 1 upon 100 meter लिखो. Okay, because we are going to divide, so that's why it is written as 1 upon 100. So 68 divided by 100 gives you 0.68 meter. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है, put 0. See, it is very simple. Okay, now let's see change into kilometer. Again, this is kilometer, this is meter. We are going to convert this into kilometer by dividing. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, so 119 upon 1000 gives you 0.119 kilometer. So when we add it, 9 plus 0.119, it is 9.119 kilometer. The fourth question is change into kg. Again, this is kg, this is gram. We are going to convert this. 1 gram becomes 1 upon 1000 kg. So 230 divided by 1000. आपने सबको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. हम यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स इट इज कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू डेसिमल फॉर्म. ओके, एंड दिस बिकम्स 0.230 kg. नाउ दिस इज kg and this is already kg. We are going to add it. So the answer is 6.23 kg. Let's see the fifth question. सो चेंज इनटू लीटर, वी आर गिवन 455 मिलीलीटर. आपके पास ये भी हो सकता है 6 लीटर एंड 455 मिलीलीटर करना सेम है. सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन, ओके, बिकॉज ज़्यादा स्पून फीडिंग भी अच्छी नहीं होती. यू शुड यूज योर ओन ब्रेन ऑल्सो. सो 1 मिलीलीटर इज इक्वल टू, अगर मिलीलीटर दिया हुआ है यू कैन पुट 1 मिलीलीटर एंड दिस विल ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम 1/1000 लीटर. सो 455 upon 1000 gives you 0.455 लीटर. एंड अगर आपके पास यहाँ पे 6 होता तो आप 6 को इसमें ऐड करते हैं, देन यू वुड हैव गॉट 6.455 लीटर. सो आई होप यू पीपल हैव गॉट इट. Utilize your winter break to complete this exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.